I got myself pretty wet. Looks like there's a little ditch or creek here, so I stopped to get out and walk it before I tried to take the K-Truck into it. And there's a booby trap right here. Look at that. It's just snow floating on water. Then I walked onto it and sunk into mud up to here. I think I'll just go around. Been driving around for about 2.5 hours, and I think it's about time to look for a place to camp. Yeah, there we go. Gonna look around for some dead trees. It's going to be pitch black by 4 p.m. today. I have about an hour and a half before sunset, and it's really hard to find dead trees in the dark.